And we find that this point is going step by step. This is a common problem. When people want to seek knowledge, they say, I want all of it. And now this is not the way to get it. There are people who say, okay, now I've got the desire to get knowledge. So they take the biggest book, Sahih Bukhari, I'm going to read Sahih Bukhari. And you start with Sahih Bukhari, first few pages, and it's becoming burdensome, it's becoming heavy, then I left it. And you left all the pursuit of knowledge. This should not be the case. Let's start with small books. You see how Allah sent down the Quran. The Quran is Khair al-Hadithi Kitabullah. The best narration is the book of Allah. But Allah sent it down some verses at a time. We find the smaller surahs were revealed before the longer surahs. There is wisdom in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what He sent down. It's given in the Quran in Surah Furqan, Surah 25, verse 32. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. Those who do not believe, the disbelievers, they say, لَوْلَا نُزِّلَ عَلَيْهِ الْقُرْآنُ جُمْلَةً وَاحِدًا. Why is the Quran not revealed to him all at once? So Allah says, وَكَذَلِكَ لِنُثَبِّتَ بِهِ فُوَادَكَ. It is so that it may give strength to your heart. وَرَتَّلْنَاهُ تَرْتِيلًا. We have sent down in stages. So the Quran has been sent down in stages. There is wisdom in it, my brothers and sisters. So what should we do? Start with something small, inshallah. Read a small book. Finish it. What you start, finish it, inshallah. Then go on to something bigger. Start reading the Quran, some pages at a time. Then go on to more, then more. And inshallah, go on to more detailed tafsirs of the Quran. You can start with something small. We find in the books of hadith, scholars have written books like, for example, Imam Nawawi wrote the book Arba'in an-Nawawi. The 40 hadiths by an-Nawawi. So you study these 40, which Imam Nawawi has selected. Then go on to something bigger and bigger. And one day, inshallah, you read Sahih Bukhari also. Nobody's stopping you. So there are people who don't get this. Then they start reading only the first page and skip the book and go to the ending. And there are people who start listening to a lecture and no, go on to something else. Then there is no completion, there's no accomplishment, there's no sense of fulfillment. And this is very important. We go step by step. This is how Allah has put in the nature around us. A child is born, we don't give him a bone to eat. There's a time he will eat the bone, but it'll take time. He doesn't start running the day he's born. He'll come to the stage of crawling one day, moving, crawling, and then finally start walking and then running. A tree doesn't grow up and shoot up at all one time. It starts with a seed, a small sprout, a small plant, and then grows into a tree one day. So even if there's very yummy food, very beautiful food, we won't eat it all at once. We will go one morsel at one time. Isn't it, my brothers and sisters? So we should go step by step, but consistent steps. Go on and on and on. Regular. Stay at it. Step by step, every step you move on, you'll inshallah move to bigger and bigger goals. But start with small things, inshallah.